Hello, in this video we're going to be looking at reverse percentages. So the objective here is to find the original amount before a percentage increase or decrease. So the key idea, if I want to find the final amount, I multiply the original amount by the multiplier. But if we rearrange this, if I want to find the original amount, I would divide the final amount by the multiplier. So here's an example. A jacket costs £68 after a 15% reduction. We need to find the original price before the reduction. So originally, the jacket was worth 100% of its value. However, we lost 15% in the reduction, and so we were left with 85%. So £68 is equivalent to 85% of the original. We want to work out the original price. The original price is worth 100%. So what I could do here is I could work out 1% by dividing both 85 and 68 by 85. So if I do that, 68 divided by 85 is going to be 0.8. So now if I need to work out 100%, I times 1% by 100. So if I do that, 0.8 times 100 is going to be £80. So the original price must have been £80. So another way I could have looked at this is if I know that the new price is the original price times the multiplier. The new price is £68. I don't know what the original price is, and the multiplier is 85%. So as a multiplier, that's going to be 0.85. So to work out the original price, I'm going to do 68 divided by 0.85, and that gives us 80. So it's just another way that we could look at this question. Here's another example. So it says the final price of a jacket is £45 after a 10% reduction. We need to find the original price of the jacket. So what we could say is the final price, so the new price, is equal to the original price times the multiplier. So in this case, it's been reduced by 10%. So we started off with 100% and we reduced by 10%. So we ended up with 90%. And as a multiplier, that's going to be 0.9 because 90 divided by 100 is 0.9. So the new price was £45. And so we can say that the original times 0.9 is 45. So if I want to work out the original, I'm going to do 45 divided by 0.9, and that's going to give me £50. So the original price was £50. So in this example, a TV costs $510 after a 15% increase. Work out the original price. So again, the new is equal to the original multiplied by the multiplier. So in this case, we've had a 15% increase. So if I started off with 100% and gained 15%, I would have ended up with 115%. And as a multiplier, that's going to be 1.15. So our multiplier in this case was 1.15, and the new price is 510. So 510 is the original multiplied by 1.15. So if I want to work out the original, I'm going to do 510 divided by 1.15, and that gives me 443.48. So it's going to be £443.48. So here are some quick fire practice questions on this topic. Pause the video, have a go at these, and I'll reveal the answers in a moment. Okay, so well done if you managed to have a go at those. So I've just displayed the answers on the screen, and that's everything for this video. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again in another video. Bye!